Okay, so let's discuss another question. Basically, 100 kilowatt power is to be transmitted by each of two separate shafts. So you have two separate shafts, and each of them has to transfer 100 kilowatt power. Material is same, and the speed is different, 250 rpm, and the other is 300 rpm. Now, which shaft will have greater? Uh, Obviously, I mean, going by this, you can say that, but let's do from the theory. So theory, we need to relate the speed and the dia. So how do I relate this? So first is power is t omega, and omega is 2 pi n by 60. So 2 pi n by 60, right? So this is first equation. So torque, how do I relate? Now torque for this shafts basically have torsion equation, so I can write T by J, assuming that only torque is the only thing that is acting. So T by J is tau by R, and J is pi by 32, pi by 32 d power 4, and tau is again, let's say you have gone to the maximum limit, so tau becomes the maximum stress, and R is d by 2. So from this you get tau is 16. Basically, I mean, you get pi d cube by 16 into tau. So tau is the maximum limit, so that can be taken as constant. Okay, so now if I substitute these two here, so P, okay, and torque is pi d cube tau by 16 into 2 pi n by 60. So what I will do is I will group all the other constants which are constants, like the numbers are constants, and well as tau is basically till the maximum material limit. Let's say you have gone, the stress is maximum in both the shaft, and so maximum stress will be again till the yielding or till your material limit. So that will be all constant, so that is k into n into d cube, and power is also constant. So basically then n d cube has to be constant because the power is constant for both of them. So now the speed, the higher the speed, because the speed varies inversely of the cube root, I mean, so what I can say is that from this equation, na by nb is equal to db by da whole cube, and so the higher speed will have a lesser dia. So the greater dia will be of the shaft of speed a. I mean, that is clear from this equation, right? Because it's inversely varying variable. Inversely, it's varying inversely in an inversely proportional relationship. So the higher the speed will have a lesser dia because nd cube has to be constant. So higher speed, shaft P has a higher speed, and that will have a lesser dia. So what is asked is the one which has a greater dia. So shaft A has a greater dia. So only idea is to derive this relation and to verify it. Thank you.